It's official. If you're using NordVPN, you're using the fastest VPN there is. It means you can secure all of your devices with robust encryption and enjoy blazing fast internet connection without the annoying buffering screen. But how do we know? Well, after the recent NordVPN upgrades, such as the NordLynx protocol, it was time to see how we compare to other VPNs. An independent IT Security Institute AV test took a look at how we stack up against other VPNs. It took 6 most popular VPNs on the market and compared their performance to NordVPN. We expected to do well, but the results surprised even us. The test measured the VPN's performance based on their download and upload speed. It compared the connection speed in Asia, Europe, and the US. NordVPN aced the test in every category. It performed well above the industry average, sometimes beating the competition's speed over 50%. So, how did we do it? Well, most of it's thanks to our brand new NordLynx protocol. Built on the incredibly lean architecture of WireGuard, it provides speed like no other protocol. So, go to the NordVPN app settings and select NordLynx as your protocol to enjoy the lightning-fast connection on your device. Stay safe with the fastest VPN on the planet.